Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. Before we begin, make sure you have your rainbow sight words, writing paper, your pen or pencil, alphabet chart if you need it, your blend chart, your vowel charts, or your word wall. Are you ready? Okay, let's review. The last time we had writing workshop, we were working on an All About Firefighters book. And we thought about a topic, we planned across pages, we drew our pictures, added labels, added a sentence, and we even had an introduction and a conclusion page, or a first page and a last page. Let's reread our book. All About Firefighters, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. Our introduction page, or our first page, tells our reader what they're going to learn about. I will teach you all about firefighters. I labeled my red truck and my firefighters. Details. Remember, you need to have at least 3 important details or things you want to teach your readers. So on my first detail, I said firefighters wear a helmet. And I drew my helmet and I added a label. Number 2, firefighters wear a jacket. I drew a jacket and I labeled jacket. And I even added a sight word, a jacket. And my third detail, firefighters wear boots. And I drew the boots and I added a label to my boots. I also taught you guys about writing a last page or conclusion page. And on this page, it said, now you know all about firefighters. And I had my firefighter putting out a big flame. Now, if you wanted to add more pages, you can more than do so. Today, we're going to start a new All About book. Now, remember, when we teach all about a topic, we have to write about something we know a lot about or something that we love. And some ideas for a topic are here. Like, what can you write about? So let's review how to write an All About book. We think of a topic, we write about one topic, whatever our topic is, and then we add details. Our writing process. Thinking about a topic. So last week, I had so many writers submit All About books, and it got me thinking about a topic that I love. And that is all about butterflies. All about butterflies. And on my picture of butterflies, butterflies. So I'm thinking that I can use this week to write all about butterflies. Okay, so after I thought about my topic, now I need to plan. What am I going to put on my pages? And one way to plan is to touch and tell across my pages. And I'm going to keep my picture here so I remember that my topic is butterfly. So I'm going to make sure I draw a butterfly on my first page. Right? Now I need to think about something I want to teach people all about butterflies on this page. So I was thinking, oh, this is my introduction page. Remember, we have to tell our readers what we're going to teach. And I was saying, I can draw a lot of butterflies here, maybe, right? So that's my introduction page. My page 1 can be about butterflies having, oh, look at these antennas things. I can teach my readers that butterflies have antennas, which are these 2 things that comes out of the butterfly. Okay. Then I can teach them that butterflies have legs, because you can't really see them, but you know, when they land on the flowers, they have legs. And then butterflies are colorful. Look, they have a lot of colors. And then my last page, or my conclusion page, could just tell people, hey, now you know all about butterflies. So now that I've planned across my pages, I can draw. And I have my cover page. This is my butterfly, and I have flowers on my pages because, you know, butterflies love flowers, right? And then, remember I said, did you know that butterflies come from caterpillars? I drew a caterpillar, and it's going to turn into a butterfly. And that's how I'm going to start off my book this week. And then my page 1, I'm going to teach about the antennas. Yeah. My page 2, butterflies have legs. And then I can say butterflies come in different colors. So I'm going to have a lot of butterflies. I'm going to color it pretty. And then my last page, or my conclusion page, will tell my readers what I just taught them. Now you know all about butterflies. So boys and girls, now it's your turn. Remember, think of a topic, and these are some ideas, right? Or you can think of other ideas that you love. Then you're going to touch and tell a partner, a parent, or a sibling what you plan to write on every page. And as you touch and you tell, draw a picture to match. And tomorrow, when we get back, we will start to add some more to our books. Have a great day, boys and girls, and welcome back.